Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning everybody.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Okay, alhamdulillah fine too. Okay, maybe one of you to lead the prayer together.
Attention please, let's pray together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasulah. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin.
Okay, amin ya rabbal alamin. Okay, student, before we going study, I will take your present today. And don't forget it, if I say your name, you just to say present and then you count to up your hand. Okay, Aisyah Al-Mumtahana, Aisyah Raihana, Alifah Hasna, Amelia Rahma, Ananda Rizky Putri, okay, Astiani Mei, Audia Setia, Aska Triaya, Bevista, Berlian Wafi, Dela Aprilia, Dias Ayu Pinasi, Fadilatun Nisa, Firda Ayu, Hasna Sabita, Sik, okay. And then Hesti Azaria, Indriani Putri, Jauza Rajwa, Lailatu Syarifah,
Present.
Mala Anjani, Laras Dwi Cahyani, okay. Nabila Ibrahim, Nabila Syakir, Sik, okay. Nadia Zahra, Naura Zalfa, Keswa, Regina Robiatul, Rizka Atka, Sausa Zaida, Sausan Sofa, Feisha Fitri, Yasmin, Zaima Norinia. Okay, six. So any two. Okay, any three. Okay, three students. Is six. Okay, student. Today I want to tell you, or we want to study about the last text about narrative. Okay, narrative text. I want to remember what is the narrative text.
Narrative text is a piece of writing that tells a story.
Okay, good. Maybe narrative text is the story about the last story, even right? And can you give me a sample? What the kind of the narrative text? Okay, Nanda.
The kind of narrative texts are folktale, fairy tale, fable, myth, and legend.
Okay, and then maybe you can to give me a sample to the title of the narrative text. Maybe from here you can to give me sample from the folktale.
Tutung Masaru,
Okay, right, and here fairy tale maybe.
Cinderella,
Okay, maybe from here the legend.
Legend of Prambanan.
Okay, the legend of Prambanan. You have to mention the sample of the title of narrative text. Okay, and then look at the picture. Okay, what do you see about the picture? Have you ever heard the legend of Surabaya? This is any crocodile and calf. Okay. Have you ever heard the legend of Surabaya?
Yes.
Okay, and do you know that the text tell about the legend is 9 narrative text?
Yes, I do.
Okay, right. So before we going study, I want to explain about the purpose for the teaching of learning for today. Yang pertama, yes, we want to study, the student are able to identify the structure and the language features of the narrative text, and then students are able to apply critical thinking about the problem solving in analyze the structure and language features of narrative text, and then the student able to present and communication in the front of class with the generic structure and the language features. Jadi kamu menganalyze identification, analyze and presentation about the generic structure and language features from the video if you watching. Okay. Ya, di cangkupan materinya sama. You analyzing, identification, analyzing, and then to practice. And then you can look at the picture. Okay, right. The long time in the East Java. This is any crocodile and shark. And then the Sangkuriang. Yeah, okay, student. Maybe after that, I want to divide you about the group. Each group consists of 4 members. Okay, like this. This is according you have to answer the question about the first assessment awal and then I divide with the gaya belajar, the style of your ini. The group 1 Hesti, Audias, Jasmine, Della. Okay, and then the group 2 Dias, Raihana, Fadila. Please you can to move with your groups. Yes, okay, you can move with your groups. And then group 3 Faisha, Sauzan, Amelia. Ingetin ya, English as breaking. Okay, student, you have to sit in your group. Yes. Okay, Hesti, Audias, Della, Yasmin, until the group I, Aisyah, Al-Mumtahana, Jauza, Keswa, and Bevista. Okay, student, maybe before we going to study, the continuous study, we ice breaking. I want you to sing a song. Okay, I want to ask you, how do you feel today?
Yes, I'm happy.
Happy? Okay. Coba. Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
If you happy, 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 clap your hand. If you happy, 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 clap your hand. If you happy.
Yes, I am.
If you happy and you know, please clap your hand. If you happy and you know, please clap your hand. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know, please clap your hand. Okay, enough. Okay, I want you, please eyesight in the morning, you just do 1 clap, and the afternoon, you just do twice clap, and if I say in the night, you just to say or the clap why. Third, okay? Okay, understand? Yes. Okay, focus. Morning, afternoon, night, night, morning, afternoon, morning, night, afternoon, night, afternoon, noon. Okay, okay, good job. Give applause to your class. Okay. Okay, this is so you are the focus. Itu tandanya kalian sudah fokus. Okay, student, you have to sit in the circle with your group. I want to give your to LKPD, ya, according. Yes. Okay, I'm so sorry. Before it, LKPD one by one to each group. Sorry. Yes. Okay, class, you can to read this LKPD, you can to analyze and identification according to this video. Okay. Okay. Yes, okay. You just write your name, okay, your class.
Group member.
Yes, okay. I want you to watching the video about the title, The Legend of Prambanan. I'm so sorry. The Legend of Surabaya and the legend of the folk tale about Tangkuban Perahu. Okay. You see? I'm so sorry. Okay, from here.
Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful woman named Dine Sumbi. One day, she was knitting. Suddenly, his tools fell from his house. She prayed to God, if a man takes her, he will be my husband. If a woman, she will be my sister. Later, a male dog took it. To keep his word, he married the dog and called him Tumang. She gave birth to a baby named Sankuriang, but he never told Sankuriang who his father was. One day, Sankuriang was hunting with Tumang in the forest and he found nothing. He blamed Tumang for the failure and killed him. When Dine Sumbi found out about this, she hit Sankuriang's head with a big spoon and chased him away. Years later, Sankuriang found a house in the forest and there was a beautiful woman in it. The woman, Dine Sumbi, recognized Sankuriang. Sankuriang fell in love with her without knowing that she was his mother. He forced Dine Sumbi to marry him. Dine Sumbi could not accept it because they were mother and son. She asked Sankuriang impossible conditions if she wanted to marry him. He had to build a lifeboat in one night and had to finish before dawn. Sankuriang agreed and built it with the help of spirits. When it was nearly finished, Dine Sumbi asked the women around her to pound the grains as a false sign that dawn was coming. The spirits fled and Sankuriang failed to finish the boat. He was very angry and kicked the boat upside down. Then, the overturned boat turned into a mountain called Tangkuban Parahu.
Okay, this is the first video. Okay, next the second video. Ini terus ya.
Long time ago in East Java, there were two strong animals that lived in the sea. Sura the shark and Baya the crocodile. They didn't want to share their food when they were hungry.
Hey, what are you doing here? I'm not doing anything. I just want to look around in this area. Is it trouble for you? Yes. This is my territory. Anyone can enter my territory. Why do you say that? I think I can step through this region. What do you say? How dare you want to claim my turf? Daya, we must end this fight because I was bored.
They were made an agreement to stop fighting. They shared their territory.
Well, Sura, it looks like I'm tired. I've got it here. What agreement do you want to say, Daya? Whether it is a good deal? I think so. Well, tell me what's the deal. My deal is I want to divide our territory into two regions. I'm in water on the land, and you are in sea. Your boundary is when water down. Huh? Where's the decision is like? How, Sura? Are you agree with my deal? Okay, but I can't promise you what it is. Well, that's a thing the deal has made, and it was fair. Sura looked for food in the sea, and Baya looked for food in the land. But one day Sura went to the river because there was not much food in the sea. Why, Sura? What are you doing here? I was walking around here looking for food. Is there something wrong? No. We've agreed that the division of each territory. What should we agree upon? After all, the deal was not a written agreement, but a verbal agreement.
Baya was angry, but Sura thought that there was water in the river and also his place.
What? But deal is a deal and must remain obeyed.
He called the name the place of fight as Surabaya from Sura. When Sura and Baya become a symbol of Surabaya city.
Ya. Ya Kak, okay, enough. You had watching the video about the legend of Surabaya and Sang Kuryang. Okay, please you can to do the exercise identification about the generic structure and the language features in the LKPD with your group, but you write in your paper. Okay, right. I give your time maybe 20 until 20 minutes. Enough?
No.
Yes, okay, please, you can do it. Oh, I'm so sorry.
The origin.
Iya, sesuai dari sini.
Original.
Tapi ini large-nya. Kenapa? Kamu ya, iya ada 2. No, you just write okay, and the origin, okay. Or the meaning origin, where the story come from. Okay, the origin where the story come from.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What you want?
The origin.
The origin where the story come from. Yes. Where did story come from?
West Java. Jawa Timur.
Iya, West Java.
You want to here or another? Ini. Oh ini. Emang. Okay. You can to identify about
Sumbing sama
title,
si-
origin, yes, according. Yes, the same. Mhm.
Gimana?
20 minutes or 20. Yeah.
Ini fokus aja paragraf pertama.
Langsung nulis paragraf pertama semuanya apa? Nama orang-orangnya doang.
Kayaknya nggak cukup loh kalau paragraf itu. Tulis aja paragraf.
Gimana? Tulis ya.
Paragraf. Aku typing.
Harus cepat kok, harus
Paragraf.
cepat ya. Yes. Yes, iya. According to video, kan kelihatan ya tadi ya dari videonya gimana kayak gitu. Hah? Iya, makanya tak kasih ini sih biar untuk ini. You can to use your handphone if you maybe.
Mention the setting.
Tempatnya itu. Tempat kejadian.
Maybe you can to resume about the video, ya. What is Sangkuriang like seperti apa, kemudian untuk Dayang
Dari mana
Sumbi seperti apa, kayak
Small
gitu.
village aja.
In small village.
Yang mention the setting kan?
Understand? Yes? Hah? Orientation? Mention the character and the characteristic from Character, what the character is participant. Iya. Pemecahan masalah. Ya.
Ini kompensasinya kan si daya itu sama ibunya. Tapi di sini belum ada.
Paragraf 3 kali. Itu nggak sih nama anjingnya nggak?
Syihid Sangkuri yang aktif, Sangkuri yang ini kan sudah ada paragraf kan tulis di paragraf 3.
Mass complication-nya yang mana terus?
Di sini udah di sini bisa aja paragraf 1 kan banyak.
Ya pokoknya nanti bisa lihat atau di sini juga bisa. Tulis di sini.
Semuanya
Ya enggak. Ya from ini ya dari mana? Intinya di orientation the karakter from apa? Karakternya apa? Ini kayak gitu the karakteristiknya
ini
ini
masih
sih.
ikut sama belum jadi tentang itu sih si Dayang berarti yang orientasi itu paragraf 1 paragraf 2 terus karakternya si Dayang sama si Tumang
Siapa?
Tumang si bapaknya itu
Berarti tambahin Tumang.
Tumang sama Sangkuriang
Dayang sama itu
iya 3 karakternya 3
tapi ditulis paragrafnya.
paragraf 1 sama paragraf 2
So you understand about this story about Tangkuban Perahu with the moral value.
Tumang ya namanya.
Then promise, Cindy.
Complication.
Any make your difficult.
Tak kira wis.
Berarti masih kurang banyak ya?
Kayak orientation-nya.
Iya. Iya. Ini aku ngilang dulu nggak apa-apa ya? Berarti kurang berapa menit lagi, Pak?
itu loh suka sama
Anaknya
suka sama
Nusa.
Jadi dia tuh kayak emang gak tuh suka nyari suka membunuhin rusak gitu loh. Nah terus jadi si Sakura kan suka kan
Mana?
buru-buru terus jadi
Terus dia nggak kelihatan ya?
nah dia kan gitu kan tapi kayak udah berapa hari gitu dia tuh gak nemuin rusak jadi dia tuh kayak bingung banget loh harus gimana terus akhirnya dia itu membunuh si anjingnya itu nah terus dibawa tuh si ibunya minta hatinya apa ya minta hatinya rusak iya kan terus akhirnya jadi jadinya jadi mahal iya terus akhirnya pas gara-gara gak nemu rusak kan jadi tukang terus hatinya tukang tuh dibawa nah dia tuh bilangnya kalau itu rusak padahal kan nggak tahu kan si ibunya tuh tahu kalau itu larang ya hatinya si tukang terus akhirnya dia dia tuh gak bisa ngobrol sama aku. Akhirnya dia itu kayak bentuk campuran gitu, kayak terus habis itu akhirnya si Sampurnya pergi gara-gara ibunya marah. Nah terus udah tuh bertahun-tahun lamanya tuh Sampurnya datang lagi menjadi stronger. Nah dia tuh kayak apa sih, kayak berhenti gitu loh. Jadi dia kan kayak terjelajahi terus kan, nggak ada tempat tinggal akhirnya dia itu sampai, tapi dia tuh nggak sadar kalau dia itu ketemu sama ibunya lagi karena bertahun-tahun lamanya gitu. Terus akhirnya dia tuh ketemu sama ibunya karena dia nggak sadar dia emang dari sini masalahnya. Jadi tulisnya
Ini sih gimana?
paragraf 3
Di itu aja nggak di lengkap-lengkap tapi dari yang kata ibunya ngebunuh apa minta rusa terus diganti
dari
sama
ini juga, jadi si itunya bohong
ya udah
sama ibunya.
terus bilang aja kayak ibunya tuh kamu rusa jadi kalau dicari-cari dia dari Samuel tuh bersambung dari itu hati
Oh berarti ini sih one day day yang fully one
Di garis
day
itu ya?
it. Berarti kan ibu, suatu hari ibunya pengen hatinya ini kan, so jadi dia nanya ke Samuria
where is the story come
bisa
from?
setelah itu setelah
several days setelah berhari-hari di hutan Samuria nemuin rusa. Akhirnya dia bingung, dia jadi nanti sebenarnya dia nggak mau kayak ngecewain ibunya, jadi dia bunuh.
complication-nya berarti gimana?
Complication?
Dan dia tuh nggak tahu
The main
kalau bapaknya.
complication, the conflict, the growth of the conflict,
Ending itu
the first.
Tapi pas nyampe rumah berarti ibunya tahu, and she was so angry. Udah kan ini kayak they will fight because they didn't want each other. Yeah.
Sebenarnya yang si surannya melanggar janji itu dari yang berarti yang pertama
Perebutan perasaan, the territorial line.
oh ini
No, we will see about the God. See about the God. The first.
ada ini tapi dari sini nggak sih good after several
Iya kan itu aku ya pokoknya pas
dari but after
hari terus habis itu mereka berantem lagi kan terus beberapa jam kemudian sekolah terus surat ide biar mereka berarti maksudnya kebiasaan
sang Korea
Okay. You can continue. Any question? Okay, what you want to say?
Adverbial phrase of place itu maksudnya
Adverbial phrase of price ya. Phrase consists of two words, berarti ada dua kata. Ada dua kata yang menunjukkan tempat. Phrase itu lebih dari dua kata. Misalkan in under river, di bawah sungai kayak gitu. In under water, berarti itu phrase of price. Oke. Okay, you can too.
orientasinya udah jadi kan ini ada orientasinya
Any make you confused?
lebih ke ini sih language feature-nya aku belum
Okay. Coba. You can to identify it, yes, buat past tense, ya.
ini kan
Yes.
ceritanya pas time tuh yang mana
Using verb to. Using verb to. Using verb to in from the paragraph 1, you can to see where is the using past tense. Past tense.
ini was fairy tale
Yes. Verb to in the past. For example, lived. Yes, verb to. And you can to found. Yes. To find another. Yes. Okay, right. And another you can to write. And paragraph finish. Ya. Paragraph 2 you can to see. Okay. Ya. Okay. On. In this group, make you confused? Yes.
berarti ini tuh yang karakteristik berarti cuma nulis ini doang ya kayak ada yang singgih terus sifatnya apa
Yes, right.
terus sang Korean terus sifatnya ini
Yes.
gitu
Okay.
kan terus settingnya itu di West Java
Yes. The origin?
di original
Yes.
ini benar
Good.
Aku kira titelnya Sangkuriang, terus originnya The Origin of Mount Tangkuban. Apa ya?
Yeah. This is time. I need have to title Sangkuriang. I need to cite the origin Mount Tangkuban Perahu. Ya, according to the text. Tergantung teksnya. Kalau di sini teksnya Sangkuriang, and in this the sign, iya,
Originnya
sign.
from West Java.
Iya, the origin where the story come from.
terus mention di settingnya itu West Java juga
No, mention the setting, tempat di mana semua ini berada.
Tangkuban Perahu
Iya, terus di mana? Kira-kira di sebuah apa? Kawah kah? Mountain kah? Kan kayak gitu kan? Iya, itu yang namanya mention the setting. Setting kan berarti place, tempat. Ya, coba. Finish. Udah.
tapi kalau ini nggak usah dikerjain nggak bisa ya nggak usah diisi
Ini.
terus ini juga nggak usah nggak apa
You have to find thinking and feeling. Feel. Yes, right.
terus itu yang mana
Noun phrase. Two word. Apa? Apa coba di sini? Two words. Ada dua kata. Mana? Coba. Misalkan, for example, the beautiful woman. Just to sample. New generation. Nah, this is noun phrase. Ya, you must be remember. Phrase ya consists of the more than one word ya, lebih dari satu kata. Itu yang namanya phrase. Noun phrase. Nah, tadi misalkan the beautiful woman. Itu noun phrase. Karena kalau dia siapa sih ditanyakan nounnya itu ya, si beauty womannya itu, womannya kenapa cantik kayak gitu. Ya, remember my explain ya. In the front of. No, where did the story come from?
Pulpennya hilang.
Tapi kok ini yang generation, Adjective. Oke, adjective is kata sifat. Iya.
Sifat itu apa?
Kata sifat. Coba in the sample ada caring, brave. What is the meaning brave? Berani, beautiful itu adjective. Handsome. Yes, right.
Ini yang saying verb, ini apa bukan? Bukan ya?
Saying verb, yes. Else any another side selain side itu apa? Tell. Ya. Itu ada nggak? Ada, kalau ada silahkan. Udah finish? Nanti ya. Sini. Belum ini. Ini mana?
Kita lihat Google nggak apa-apa, Miss? juga complication apa enggak? Bukan.
Yes. Yes, okay.
Berarti ditulis.
With your sentence. With your sentence. I want your sentence. Pakai kata-kata sendiri. Ya, kan the complication when the Dayang Sumbi married with Tumang, a dog.
Ya.
Yes.
Berarti lebih dari satu komplikasinya.
Yes.
Nggak apa-apa berarti.
Yes, it's okay. Oke. Belum.
Coba jam berapa? Oh ini. Iya Dayang. Berarti Dayang married.
Hey, shh. Are you finished?
Yes.
Okay. With your friend, okay. With your friend.
The last one.
Okay. Apa?
Times connective conjunction ini kan di sini
The connective ya, kata sambung. What? Especially? No. Apa? And finally, then, next.
then they live in a small village.
Yes.
Ini currently
Currently
artinya apa?
finally, currently, akhir-akhir ini. You are finished? Finish? Yeah.
Kan udah campur yang langsung terus discussion. Terus kan ini Dayang Sumbinya marah. Oh, udah habis misinya. Ya. Terus
Gimana?
Makanya ini bisa ini boleh. Coba mana tadi?
Ini kan yang saying verb sama feeling verb kan nanti mereka nanya ke kelompok itu.
Yeah, okay, student, time is up. This is time for you to presentation your result after identification the unit structure and language future from the video and the story. But to study the legend, the origin of Mount Tangkuban Perahu and The Legend of Surabaya. Okay, the first group, Mbak Faisya and friends, you can give the show performance. The first. Okay, please give applause to your friend. Your confused? No, nothing.
And finally,
No. Are you clearly?
I finally held your hand,
Yes. Okay.
saying, thinking verbnya say doang ya Nan?
Side, help.
Thinking verb.
Yes.
Kan lu di sini ada saying and thinking verb.
Aku bacanya di
Say.
Kalau tinggi apa itu
Apa?
di sini apa penjelasannya?
Describe mental action or thought.
Yes. Okay. Right.
Nanti itu
Hilang
Right.
rapat.
Yes.
Nasty apa nasty girl nasty. Masuk. Suaranya masuk Nan.
Yeah. The underline one is the saying verb. Who's the saying verb? The underline.
Kan bahasa Inggris.
Yes. Right.
Yes. Nasty apa nasty girl. Berarti apa?
thinking gak tahu benar.
About thing.
Why?
About any word thing. Yes, that's right.
Aku padahal bisa bahasa Inggris.
Miss, thinking verbnya berarti gimana?
Berapa?
Smart,
If any the word about thing. If you write
The main side
You can
trigger
write
for the
word with the thing, how,
both of them are equally strong,
in
intelligent,
story.
just
any.
wait.
Let's see.
Selain
Sense. Huh?
Saying verb selain say.
Oh, you just ask. Oh.
aku mau 5.000 tapi tidak ada rezeki.
Yeah. Yes, you just write. No.
Ini doang.
Yes.
Right. Thinking.
So I can write let me think.
Prime video.
Aku tulis berarti let me think gitu.
Tapi baru berapa sih?
You just underline in thinking.
Berarti if can help let me think.
You have to underline.
Nasty apa nasty girl.
Okay.
Saying verb, adverbial first,
word.
Asian verb, saying verb, thinking verb, feelings verb, direct speech.
The word feels. Where is it?
Masuk ke action ini.
Yes. Right.
Kalau thinkingnya yang worry, dia pakai
Word is no.
dia ke feel ya.
Feeling. Feeling.
But this is very nice about cincang si kurcaci terus dia bilang apa komen
Thinking the right about saying how any the word sing ya singing put any the sing how like this and it sing how this is a thinking put any nothing nothing okay it's okay.
Ada dua kata ini kan.
If nothing, then you're right. If any, you're right. Okay. Okay, the continue.
Iya, mesti orientasi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Standing in front of you all, we want to present the result of our LKPD, identification, the generic structure, and language further of the narrative text. The narrative text is the title, the origin of Mount Tangkuban Perahu.
Ada yang nulis nggak apa-apa sekalian.
Did it continue?
The title, the origin of Mount Tangkuban Perahu, and origin West Java. The orientation in paragraph 1 and 2. Once upon a time, in West Java lived a writer king who had a beautiful daughter. Her name was Dayang Sumbi. She liked weaving very much. Once she was weaving a cloth when one of her tools fell to the ground. She was very tired. At the same time, she was too lazy to take it. Then she just shouted out loudly, "Anybody there? Bring me my tool. I will give you a special present. If you are female, I will consider you as my sister. If you are male, I will marry you." Suddenly, a male dog, its name was Tumang, came. He brought her the falling tool. Dayang Sumbi was very surprised. She regretted her words, but she could not deny it. So she had married Tumang and left her father. Then they lived in a small village. Several months later, they had a son. His name was Sangkuriang. He was a handsome and healthy boy. So the character are Dayang Sumbi, Tumang, and Sangkuriang, and the setting place is small village. And the complication in paragraph 3 and 4. One day, Dayang Sumbi wanted to have deer herd, so she asked Sangkuriang to hunt for a deer. Then Sangkuriang went to the wood with his arrow and his faithful dog, Tumang. But after several days in the wood, Sangkuriang could not find any deer. Then we all disappeared. Sangkuriang was exhausted and desperate. He did not want to disappoint her mother, so he killed Tumang. He didn't know that Tumang was his father. Tumang's hurt to her mother. But Dayang Sumbi knew that it was Tumang's hurt. She was so angry that she could not control her emotion. She hit Sangkuriang at his head. Sangkuriang was wounded. There was a scar in his head. She also replied her son. Sangkuriang left her mother in sadness. Many years passed, and Sangkuriang became a strong young man. He wandered everywhere. One day he arrived at his own village, but he did not realize it. There he met Dayang Sumbi. At that time, Dayang Sumbi was given an eternal beauty by God, so she stayed young forever. Both of them did know each other, so they fall in love and then they decide to marry. But then, Dayang Sumbi recognized a scar on Sangkuriang's head. She knew that Sangkuriang was his son. It was impossible for them to marry. She told him, but he did not believe her. She wished that they marry soon. So Dayang Sumbi gave very difficult condition. She asked Sangkuriang to build a lake and boat in the one night. She said she needed that for honeymoon. The resolution is in paragraph 4. Dayang Sumbi made the lakes in the east. And the moral value of the story is how important of being honest. So there are the generic structure and the language future is past tense. Lived a withered king in paragraph 1, and he broke her, the falling tool in paragraph 2, and noun praised a beautiful daughter in paragraph 1, and a strong young man in paragraph 2. In paragraph 4. Connective and conjunction. Then she just shouted out loudly in paragraph 1. Adjective. There are lazy, angry, and beautiful.
Adverbial of time is by midnight, and adverbial of place is in the wood. Adverbial place of place is a small village. Action verb. She asked Sangkuriang to build a lake and a boat in one night. Saying verb. She asked Sangkuriang to hunt for a deer. She told him, but he did not believe her. Thinking verb. Nothing. Feeling verb is Sangkuriang left her mother in sadness.
So I think that's all. Any question?
Why you don't write speech? And why you don't write direct speech?
Direct indirect speech.
Yes.
Because in the origin of Montang Tuban Perahu, there is no direct indirect speech.
Okay.
So that's all from me. Thank you for your attention.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We are from the group 2. We are standing here because we want to present the identification, the generic structure, and language features of the narrative text.
The generic structure of The Legend of Surabaya. The title is The Legend of Surabaya. The origin is East Java. Orientation. A long time ago in East Java there were two strong animals, Sura and Baya. Sura was a shark and Baya was a crocodile. They lived in the sea. Actually, they were friends, but When they were hungry, they were very greedy. They did not want to share their food. They would fight for it and never stop fighting until one of them gave up. And the character is Sura. The characteristic of Sura is strong, greedy, and sly. And Baya, the characteristic of Baya is ambitious, greedy, and hasty. The setting in the sea. Complication. The main trigger for their fight is fighting over prey. Both of them are equally strong, intelligent, fierce, and equally greedy. The resolution. They both hit each other. Sura beat Baya tail, and Baya did the same thing to Sura. He beat very hard until Sura finally gave up and went back to the sea. Baya was happy. The moral lesson or moral value is a good partnership is begun by honesty.
And for the language features is for the first past tense. You can see in the paragraph 1 is the word they live in the sea, and for the second word is them gave up, and for the third is he went back to the sea, and then they both live in different places, but then one day Sura went to the land and looked for some food in the river. And he beat very hard until Sura finally gave up. And suddenly Baya saw a goat, and then for the last word is Baya was very angry when he knew that Sura had broken the promise. For the second is non-press. The word is hot day, and for the third connective or conjunction is when, suddenly, then. For the adjective are smart, sly, greedy, headstrong, hasty, ambitious, and tired. Narrative texts have adverbial of time. For example, a long time ago, one day, finally, suddenly, and have adverbial of place are between, in, and then have adverbial phrase of place. For example, in the land, in the sea. Action verb nothing. And saying verb, action verb are folk and saw. For saying verb is nothing, and thinking verb, for example, let me think. For the feeling verb is nothing, and the last for direct speech. You can see at the paragraph 2, for example, yummy, this is my lunch, said Baya. And no way, this is my lunch, you are greedy, I have not eaten for 2 days, said Surah. Any question?
Why saying verb and feeling verb from the story is nothing?
Oh, sorry, I forget to write the saying verb and feeling verb. The saying verb is said and asked. You can see at the paragraph 2 and you can see from the paragraph 2. Yummy, this is my lunch, said Baya, and me too. What should we do to stop fighting? Do you have any idea? Asked Baya. Saying verb cari terus. Oh, for the feeling verb, I just found one word is happy. Yes. Well, that's we are presentation for the language features and generic structure narrative text. Thanks for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The good question, right? Okay. Why you don't write about direct speech? Oh, unfortunately, yes, I see. Any direct speech in the text or the video is very clearly. Yes, right? Sangat jelas. Direct speech. Okay. The last group, maybe. The last group. Okay, come on. Okay, you. Jangan dilihatin. Oke.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our colleague here will present about identification, the generic structure, and language feature of the narrative text. The title is The Legend of Surabaya. Orientation in paragraph 1. A long time ago, in East Java were two strong animals, Surah and Baya. Surah was a shark and Baya was a crocodile. They live in the sea. Actually, they were friends. But when they were hungry, they were very greedy. They did not want to share their food. The wolf fight for it, and they never stopped fighting until one of them gave up. Complication in paragraph 2. It's a very hot day. Surah and Baya were looking for some food. Suddenly, Baya saw a goat. Yummy, this is my lunch, said Baya. No way, this is my lunch. You are greedy. I had not eaten for 2 days, said Surah. Then Sura and Baya to fight again. After several hours, they were very tired.
Resolution in paragraph 4. Resolution in paragraph 3. Then Sura and Baya forgot again. They both in each other. Sura bit Baya's tail and Baya did the same thing to Sura. He bit very hard until Sura finally gave up. The moral lesson or moral value is don't be greedy because greed will lead us to misery.
Language feature. Past tense. Live, share, looked. Noun phrase. Sura and the shark, Baya and the crocodile. Connective or conjunction. Between they were hungry, they were very greedy. Adjective, hungry. Adverbial of time. A long time ago, one day. Adverbial of place. West Java in the sea.
Adverb of place is in the sea. Action verb, fight. Saying verbs. Yummy, this is my looks, said Baya. Thinking verb, things. Feeling verb, angry and happy. Direct speech, hey, what are you doing here? Said Baya.
Any question?
What is the origin of the text?
Oh, sorry, I forgot to include it. The answer is it's Java. Okay, any else? Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Okay. Yes, okay. Thank you for your class. Yes, okay, class. Maybe you have to. Okay, you have to presentation about the analyze, identification, the generic structure and language features. Story from the video about the Tangkuban Perahu and then the legend of Surabaya. Okay. There are your friends who have presentation and any revision, and I want to give evaluation. Yes, maybe. What is it? You understand about or you clearly all this matrix? Yes. Okay. Beautiful again. What is the narrative text for you?
Narrative text is a piece of writing that tells a story, either an imaginary event or narrative fiction, or real event, narrative non-fiction.
Right. And then you can see, yes, after you're watching, yes, the narrative, and then what is the generic structure of the narrative text? Generic structure? Orientation. Do you understand about the orientation? Yes. Orientation is mention. Okay. What is the content from the orientation? About setting, plot, and then flies, and then any else? Time. Okay, right. Okay. And what after orientation? Any?
Complication.
What is the complication?
The main conflict.
Okay. And after complication, any?
Resolution.
What is the resolution?
How the story ends and the problem solving.
Okay, right. And then after complication?
Reorientation.
Reorientation. What is the orientation? Orientation is?
Closing remark of the story.
Yes. Or?
Conclusion.
Or moral lesson or moral value of the story.
Yeah, the moral value of the
story.
lesson of the story.
story.
Okay, right. And then, so do you understand about to all the material in this narrative text?
Yes.
Okay, right. So this is yes. Dictionary structure, introduction about character, plot, and setting. And the complication, ground of the problem, the resolution of the problem, solving, and reiteration or moral value. Pesan moral dalam kata tersebut. The language features using
Past
past
tense.
tense, and then using adverbial of time, adverb, and then adverbial of time, and then conjunction. What is the meaning conjunction?
Kata
Ya, oke, kata sambung sebagai penghubung ya. And for example, the after, son, as, then, next. Yes, okay. And then any action verb. What is the action verb? Kata kerja. Oke, right. Kata kerja yang melakukan suatu aksi, action. And then direct and indirect speech. Direct indirect speech.
Kalimat langsung.
Kalimat langsung dan kalimat tidak langsung. Oke, you find the text. Kamu menjumpainya di teks? Menemukan? Ya, direct or indirect? Direct. Berarti secara langsung. Indirectnya? Not yet? But you understand?
Yes.
Okay, right. Okay, about non-phrase. Non-phrase in your identification? You found?
Font.
Yes. What is it?
Beautiful doctor.
Beautiful doctor. And then any else?
Strong young man.
Yeah, some young man. Okay, good. And then about adjective. What is the meaning adjective?
Kata sifat.
Yes, kata sifat. For example,
Lazy, angry,
beautiful, smart. Yes, in your analyze any else. Yes. And then about thinking verb. Thinking verb. You found?
No.
Nothing. Any? Okay, what is it? Think. Okay, think, right. In the
Legend of Surabaya.
Legend of Surabaya. Okay, right. In Sangkuriang, any or no? No. Okay. Okay, feeling verb. About feeling. Okay, in your
Happy.
happy. And then
Love. Sadness.
sadness. Any else? Ada lagi?
No.
No. Okay. About direct speech. How many direct speech in this your story?
Nothing.
In
The Legend of Surabaya.
Yes.
Two direct.
Two direct speech. What is it? Yes, and then okay, there are two.
Yes.
Okay, right. So you understand right about this material, the narrative text?
Yes.
But I see in the direct speech, especially in the direct speech in the Legend of Surabaya, I found the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see. Yummy, this is my lunch. Said Baya. And then, no why? This is my lunch. Are you greedy? I have to eat them for 2 days. Said Sura. And then, I'm tired of fighting, Baya. Said Sura. Okay, you see. Me too. What should we do? Stop fighting. Do you have any idea? Asked Baya. And then, let me think about it. Okay, I agree. From today, I will never go to the sea again. My place is on the line. I Baya. You see?
Yes.
Okay. And then, but there is water in the river, right? So this is also my place, right? Surah. So more than 2, yes, right?
Yes, more than
1, 2,
2.
3, 4, 5, 6, and it's 6 direct speech. Okay, but it's okay, but you understand. Yeah, okay. Maybe after your to analyze about the process teaching of learning about the narrative text, how do you feel? I want you to reflection about this process of the learning. Okay, what you want to say? Yeah, okay.
I feel happy because I can understanding the generic structure, the language features of the narrative text, and I feel more confident to speak up in front of the class.
Okay, alhamdulillah, thank you. And any else? Okay, can you stand up? Yes? Yes, stand up. You can stand up? Okay. How do you feel after your the process?
I feel happy because I can work together with my friends to solve problems in learning.
Can you repeat again? How do you feel?
I feel happy because I can work together with my friends to solve problems in learning and understand more about generic structure and language features in narrative text.
Okay, so you understand. Okay, right. Okay, thank you. Maybe to all the students is understand. According for you, narrative text is easy or difficult?
Easy.
Understand? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, alhamdulillah. If you understand, you can to analyze about the generic structure and then the language features. Okay, so according for you, you are the side you feel confident. Why? Because
I try to speak in
the louder, please. You can.
because I try
Uh-huh.
to speak in front of the class, and after that I feel more confident.
Okay, you have confidence. You can to speak up in the front of class, and then you can to maybe any difficult if you are a teamwork.
No,
No, nothing.
nothing.
So you remember to can the teamwork is good.
Yes.
Yes, right. Okay. To another maybe nothing. You are clearly but narrative text. And you happy today?
Happy.
Process teaching of learning. Happy? Are you sure? Okay. Are you sure? Sure. Okay. Okay. Maybe I want to give you two homework. What is homework? Yes, homework about, yes, you can to answer the question. I want to give you answer the question about mastery in narrative, and homework to do. You can to read about the next mastery. Yes, about the mastery with us. You can to the next mastery. Still about the genre text, especially maybe exposition. Okay, about exposition. Okay. What is exposition? Maybe it's very familiar. Yes, right? Yes. What is it? Huh? Analytical?
Exposition.
And? Hortatory? Exposition. But what is different with the narrative? The narrative is fiction, and the hortatory analytical is the non-fiction. Maybe what is it? You can to remember. No. Just to read. Yes, this is just do your homework. Okay, just do your homework. Don't forget it. I think just enough, and thank you. Maybe I just want to give your to the next meeting. You must be confident. You can to speak up. about in English lesson. Don't be brave. You must be brave. Yeah. Don't be shy. Yes. You can to practice English every day in the moment in your home, maybe in your another place. Why? Because if you can to say in English, especially is you can to practice if any the next material or the next material you want to practice in the front of class, you can do it. Okay. Okay. So before we finish the study, okay, we can to do to pray together. We just to say Subhanakallahumma
wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik.
Okay. So, okay, thank you for your attention. So I hope you come to understanding about this material and useful for you in the future. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And then say bye bye.